Good evening student. Today is going on online physics class. I am Pratyush Kumar Acharya. I will discuss about electric field lines and their characteristics. तार अर्थ है इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड लाइन कौन एंड तार गुण कौन ये सब आम जाना साधारणतः ये इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड लाइन को आम कौट व्यवहार करें कहीं व्यवहार करें चलो आम देखा इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड लाइन जाना पूर्व आम इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी विषय जाना दरकार जदि गोटे चार्ज बॉडी को नवा गोटे स्पेस रखा तो सराउंडिंग रे सी कौन करे फील्ड सृष्टि करे से फील्ड को कहवा इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड तार जदि आम छवि आंकिबा केपरि भाव पिक्टोरियल रिप्रेजेंटेशन दबा डायग्रामेटिकली से छवि को कहवा इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड लाइन से इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड लाइन जो गोटे जगार चार्ज रो किछि दूर रे आमे जदि पॉइंट नबा से पॉइंट रे केते अमाउंट रो इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड अच्छी ताहा आमे जानि परिबा तार मैग्नीट्यूड कहबा इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी द्वितीय कथा तार डायरेक्शन भी जानि परिबा okay that is all about electric field lines. So what is the definition of electric field lines? It is a smooth curve which is drawn in space which represent the direction of electric field intensity. So what do you mean by electric field lines? You know that electric field lines are smooth curve drawn in space that represent electric field intensity. कौन दूची इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी दूची. Electric field lines are smooth curve drawn in space that represent electric field intensity. This is the definition of electric field lines. So smooth curve. So this one is the smooth curve. It is not a irregular curve. It is a smooth curve. Each point on the electric field lines that represent a tangent. That tangent shows that electric field, the direction of electric field. So electric field is a real quantity or real line, but electric field lines is a imaginary line. Okay, so it contains number of characteristics. So characteristics of electric field lines. So प्रथम आम कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स को देखा. प्रथम कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स है lines of force or electric field lines are starting from positive charge, that is the positive charge, and entering towards negative charge. So this is the positive charge and this is the negative charge. So number of charges are leaving from the positive end and entering toward the negative end. Okay, number of. So आम लिखिपर number of lines of force starting from positive charge and entering towards negative charge. द्वितीय कथा जिते बड़े फील्ड लाइन जब पॉजिटिव चार्ज रु नेगेटिव चार्ज को जाती केबे से माने नेगेटिव चार्ज रु पॉजिटिव चार्ज को फेरी आसी पारंती नहीं. सो दे आर डिसकंटिन्यूअस इन नेचर. Second thing, lines, these are discontinuous in nature. Okay, ସେମାନେ କ'ଣ ହୁଅନ୍ତି ଡିସକଣ୍ଟିନ୍ୟୁଅସ୍ ନେଚର ଭାବେ ରିପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟ କରନ୍ତି। ତାର ଅର୍ଥ ହେଲା ସେମାନେ ପଜିଟିଭରୁ ବାହାରନ୍ତି ନେଗେଟିଭକୁ ଯାଆନ୍ତି କିନ୍ତୁ ନେଗେଟିଭରୁ ପଜିଟିଭକୁ ଆସିପାରନ୍ତି ନାହିଁ। ଥାର୍ଡ଼ ପଏଣ୍ଟ, ଇଲେକ୍ଟ୍ରିକ୍ field lines are imaginary lines, but electric field intensity are real in nature. Okay, then asila fourth point, tangent at each point on that line which gives electric field intensity. Tangent at each point on that line gives electric field intensity. Suppose this is the smooth curve. Okay, each point on the line, so like that. So this is the tangent, this is the tangent, this is the tangent, this is the tangent, which gives electric field intensity. कहार फील्ड लाइन ऊपर जदि प्रत्येक पॉइंट रे आम जदि टांजेंट ड्रा करी ताको कहबा इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी. ओके, नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, lines of force are smooth curve. Lines of force are smooth curve. It is not a irregular curve. आम साधारणतः गोटे लाइन्स ऑफ फोर्स को जदि पिक्टोरियल रिप्रेजेंटेशन दबा ताको आम स्मूथ कर्व ड्रा करिबा, केबे हेले तार इरेगुलर कर्व ड्रा करि परिबा नाही, अकॉर्डिंग टू माइकल फैराड. देन आसला two lines of force never intersect with each other. If they do so, then there is a common point which gives to electric field line, electric field intensity. Intensity, which is not positive. तार थला दीटा लाइन्स ऑफ फोर्स, एटा गोटे लाइन्स ऑफ फोर्स, एटा गोटे लाइन्स ऑफ फोर्स. दीटा लाइन्स ऑफ फोर्स केबे हेले गोटे कॉमन पॉइंट दे परिबे नहीं. जदि भी माने गोटे इंटरसेक्ट होती गोटे पॉइंट रे, से पॉइंट रे कोन हुए दीटा टैंजेंट क्रिएट हुए. तार अर्थ दीटा टैंजेंट इन द सेंस दीटा इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी क्रिएट हुए. यहाँ केबे हेले संभव ना, गोटे पॉइंट रे केबे हेले दीटा इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी केबे हेले हे परिबो नाही. So two lines of force never intersect with each other. If they do so, there is a common point which gives two electric field intensity, which is not possible. Okay, next point is electric field lines perpendicular to the surface of conductor. କ'ଣ କହିଲା electric field lines are perpendicular to the surface of conductor. Suppose this is the conductor. If you represent a field, assumption, so that is the electric field. That electric field represent two components along x-axis, along y-axis. So it can be represented as E cos theta, and that represented as E sin theta. That is y-axis. Now, if a test charge is present, and the charge is at rest, that means charge is stationary. So therefore, there is no force experienced by the charge particle due to stationary charge. There is no force experienced by the charge particle. That's why the charge particle do not move on the surface of conductor. If you assume if the force experienced by the charge particle along x direction, it can be represented as if F equal to QE cos theta along x-axis. ଯଦି ଆମେ ନେବା ତାର୍ଥ ମୁଁ ଏବେ ଅଲରେଡ଼ି କହିସାରିଲି ଫୋର୍ସଟା ଚାର୍ଜ ପାର୍ଟିକଲ୍ କ'ଣ ଅଛି ରେଷ୍ଟରେ ଅଛି ତାପରେ ତାର କ'ଣ ଲାଗିବନି ଫୋର୍ସ ଲାଗିବନି କାହିଁକି ଷ୍ଟେସନାରୀ ଚାର୍ଜ ଓକେ ଷ୍ଟେସନାରୀ ଚାର୍ଜ ଉପରେ ଫୋର୍ସ ଲାଗିବନି ଓକେ ଯଦି ଲାଗିଲା ନାହିଁ ତାର କ'ଣ ହେଲା if ଲଗେଇଲେ କ'ଣ ହେବ the force on the test charge is 0 that means F equal to 0 when ହେଲା and F equal to କ'ଣ 0 that means 0 equal to QE cos theta that implies QE cos theta equal to cos 90 degree sorry that means 0 degree it implies cos theta equal to 0 that means theta equal to cos theta equal to cos 90 degree that implies theta equal to what is 90 degree that means on the surface of the conductor a charge particle is here and the charge particle is at rest. That's why electric field intensity always perpendicular to the surface of conductor because theta is 90 degree. There is no electric field intensity along x-axis. Okay, that's why electric field lines are perpendicular to the surface of conductor. Are always perpendicular to the surface of conductor. Next thing ଆସିଲା ଆମେ ଜାଣିଦେଲେ ଇଲେକ୍ଟ୍ରିକ୍ ଫିଲ୍ଡ ଲାଇନ୍ ସବୁବେଳେ କ'ଣ କରେ କଣ୍ଡକ୍ଟର ଉପରେ perpendicularly represent କରାଯାଏ. ନେକ୍ସଟ ପଏଣ୍ଟ ଆସିଲା electric field lines are contract longitudinally. କେମିତି ହୁଅନ୍ତି electric field lines are contract longitudinally due to force of attraction between two opposite charges. Okay, ତାର ତ କ'ଣ electric field lines are contract longitudinally. Suppose this is the positive charge plus Q charge and this is the minus Q charge. सो ऑलवेज लाइन्स ऑफ फोर्स कौन करती सरफेस रो कंडक्टर को सरफेस रो कंडक्टर परपेंडिकुलरली रिप्रेजेंट होती किसी मैंने कौन करती ए टाइप रो मूवमेंट करा ओके सेमती अदर वे रे ए टाइप रो होती ओके and that means that is the field सब कौन करती जेहेतु टू अपोजिट चार्जेस जो से कौन करती निज निज भर फील्ड लाइन्स को कंट्राक्ट करती कंट्राक्ट करने द्वारा दुईटा चार्ज उपर कौन फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन हुए से कौन होती स्क्वीज होती लाइक दैट ए टाइप स्क्वीज होती another lines of force create way another lines of force create way okay